Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best sink stopper is probably one of the most frustrating issues to deal with in a bathroom, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we will explore how to identify the signs that your sink stopper needs replacing, the different types of stoppers available on the market, and a step-by-step guide on how to easily install a new one, saving you time and money compared to hiring a plumber. We'll also cover some essential tips and tricks to ensure a smooth and successful replacement, so you can get back to enjoying your bathroom without any further sink-related dramas. Number 5. SinkShroom Ultra Drain Protector. Say goodbye to clogged drains. It's a revolutionary sink drain protector that fits neatly inside your drain, collecting hair effortlessly. Unlike ordinary drain plugs, it sits inside the drain, trapping hair without disrupting water flow. Cleaning is a breeze, simply wipe it off. It fits any standard sink drain and comes with multiple adapters to ensure a perfect fit every time. No more struggling with ill-fitting plugs. This combo pack includes the SinkShroom Ultra Plus adapters and the stopper plug, providing comprehensive drain protection. Avoid costly plumber visits and harsh chemicals. It's a simple, effective, and eco-friendly solution to keep your drains flowing freely. This isn't just another drain protector, it's an award-winning design trusted by millions. Experience the difference a truly effective solution can make. What we like? It fits inside the drain, neatly collecting hair. You simply wipe it off, no harsh chemicals needed. If you're tired of clogged drains and messy cleanups, this is for you. What people say? The design is simple, just a sturdy bit of stainless steel and rubber, but it's effective. After 4 years of daily use, the rubber part that grabs onto hair still hasn't given up, making it a durable choice for your bathroom. It catches hair and slime equally. It is easy to install and catches hair on the rubber gasket, making it very easy to clean by simply pulling it out and wiping it off. It is a very simple but effective product. Number 4. SinkShroom Drain Protector. It's frustrating when your sink clogs, right? This innovative design fits neatly inside your drain, catching every hair before it causes a problem. Unlike other hair catchers, it sits inside the drain, not on top. This ensures that it discreetly collects all hair without impeding water flow. No more harsh chemicals or expensive plumbers. It's easy to use and keeps your drains flowing smoothly. It's designed to fit any standard 1.25-inch bathroom sink drain. Simply place it inside and let it work its magic. It comes in stylish chrome and nickel finishes to match your bathroom decor. It's both functional and beautiful. For best results, simply clean it weekly. It's quick, easy, and keeps it working perfectly. It's made with high-quality materials right here in the USA. You can trust in its durability and effectiveness. Also check out our Tubshroom and ShowerShroom for your tub and shower drains. We've got you covered. What we like? This is made in the USA and has an improved water flow. It also comes in stylish chrome and nickel finishes to match your bathroom. If you value quality and aesthetics, this is the perfect choice. What people say? It fits in the drain and is stable, but catches hair and debris and can easily be removed for cleaning. It works good and traps hair. I can just pull it out when I need to clean it. Just perfect for what I needed. Sits proud from the plug hole so water can flow freely away yet stops anything else falling down it. Looks good and so such a simple yet effective idea. Number 3. Tgosomt Bathroom Sink Stopper. It fits most US standard sinks. Measure your sink drain before ordering to ensure a perfect fit. This innovative design combines a stopper and strainer. Enjoy ultimate convenience and water sealing capabilities all in one. Made of durable brass with a chrome finish, it's rust-proof and reliable. 3 silicone seals ensure a tight fit. No more costly plumber bills or harsh drain cleaners. It prevents clogs and saves you money in the long run. It will refresh the look of your sink. The collar covers old, rusted sink drain rims, giving your sink a brand new look. What we like? It's a 2-in-1 strainer and stopper, and it's rust-proof. Plus, it can cover up an old, rusty sink drain. If you want convenience, durability, and a refreshed look, this is ideal. What people say. It just drops in and is a spring-loaded push to open or close the drain. So easy. Sealing is done with a silicone gasket, and the unit comes with a few different sizes, so it might take some trial and error to figure which one works best with your drain size. There's an upper gasket which stays in place, and it's the lower one which is changeable. There were no directions about this as I recall. Anyway, once you figure it out and fit the gasket which gives the best seal, it's a gem. It holds water imperfectly, i.e. it does leak down, but it holds as well as the original, old-school type bathroom sink plug it replaced, so no complaints there. The cool thing is that there's a cage design below the stopper, so it catches stuff which falls in, rather than letting it drop through the drain. This is so easy to lift out and clean, much easier and faster than one of those drain pipe elbow traps. Materials quality seems good, spring has good tension, but is also stable, so it strikes me as a smart and solid design. The cool part, as long as there is no small debris in the sink, I just pull the stopper out to drain the sink. Whoosh! A fast flow prevents pipe clogs. There is a small trap in this stopper which you can check periodically by just lifting the stopper out and cleaning it or blowing it out with compressed air. In any case, periodically, lift out the stopper and run water straight down the sink. You should be able to see a clean drain pipe with it removed. It fits and works perfectly. The seller sent me an email right after the purchase and I'm so glad I read it. The directions that come in the box aren't very clear, but the email explains all the tips you need to assure the right fit. It comes with a couple extra rubber rings that enabled me to change it out to match our size of opening. It was draining a little slowly, but again thanks to the email, the advice was to unscrew the button out a little ways to adjust the flow. Yay! It's hard to believe it works as good as it does, as a drain, and as a stopper. Number 2. WaterWorks PF0907 Drain Kit. Is your pop-up drain giving you trouble? This kit makes repairs quick and easy. Watch how simple it is to fix it yourself. It fits most standard pop-up drains. No need to worry about compatibility issues, it's designed to work with what you already have. It's built to last with a long-lasting metal rod. You'll get reliable performance for years to come. The threaded adjustable ball rod makes installation a breeze. You can easily adjust the length for a perfect fit. No need for special tools. This kit is designed for a quick and easy installation, whether in a new or existing drain. It comes with everything you need, a ball rod, nuts, gaskets, and balls of different sizes. Plus, a linkage and pull rod are included for a complete solution. What we like? It's easy to install, completely adjustable, and fits most drains. No tools are required. If you need a simple, adaptable solution, this is perfect for you. What people say. The written directions were simple and clear, especially with the labeled diagram, but the video made me feel extra confident I knew what I was doing. After adding a new pop-up stopper, it works like it was a brand new sink. This package comes with 3 different sizes, which is perfect. Number 1. WaterWorks PF0240. Upgrade your bathroom with the WaterWorks PF0240 2-hole pop-up stopper. It's designed for a quick and easy installation. It fits most pop-up drain units, making it a versatile choice for various sinks. Enjoy a seamless and worry-free installation. This pop-up stopper is incredibly easy to install. You'll have it up and running in minutes. The O-ring gasket creates a watertight seal, preventing leaks and ensuring smooth operation. Say goodbye to annoying drips and leaks. It features a non-corrosive plastic body and a durable chrome finish, built to last. Enjoy long-lasting performance and reliability. With a 4 to 1 2-inch height and 1 to 3 8-inch diameter top, it's the perfect size for most standard sinks. It's designed for both functionality and style. What we like? It's easy to install and has a universal design that fits most pop-up drain units. It also has an O-ring gasket for a watertight seal. If you need a quick, reliable replacement, this is a great option. What people say. It really does its job. No hair passes the drainage. Fitted well too. This worked perfectly. Glad I only had to take the plumbing apart once to fetch all the objects, and now he can't get anything down there anymore. This product fits and works perfectly in any sink with a 1 3/8-inch drain pop-up stopper system. It is way cheaper than the $40.00 for hardware to replace the entire sink drain assembly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.